today I got these two bad boys, DouBuds One from Donner. Donner are the sponsors of this video, and they're a music and audio brand that focuses mainly on high quality musical instruments. They sell pianos, guitars, and all kinds of audio products. So they really know music, and they just decided to try their luck with earbuds. These are the Donner DouBuds Bluetooth earbuds. I got two here. One has a white and silver finish. The others are pea green. You can also get them in black and gold and blue. So lots of nice colors to pick from. These things are relatively cheap, costing about $49.99 US. So how do they compare to some premium high cost earbuds like the AirPods from Apple that cost as much as 5 times more? Well, let's find out. Here's the packaging. It's definitely packaged like a premium product. Some of the main features are highlighted on the box here. They have intelligent noise canceling. They do have an ergonomic design that is IP4 waterproof. They have up to 32 hours of playtime. Let's go ahead and open these up. Really nice looking box once you take off the wrapper. Right on top, we have the user manual. It's a pretty big user manual that should cover everything, all the functions in all kinds of languages. You get a couple accessories here. We got 4 different sizes of interchangeable ear tips: extra small, small, medium, and large. There's also a USB-C charging cable in here. Now the main event, the charging case is right here. This one's finished in white, and inside we have the left and right earbuds. So these ones here are of course white and silver. It's a really clean looking design. I like how the ear tips have this misty orange finish to them. The charging case does have these light indicators showing the charge level. I actually went and fully charged them, and you can now see the 3 light indicators, meaning it's fully charged. When these 2 other lights are blinking on the sides, it means that the earbuds are charging up. These also have light indicators on the actual earbuds, which are helpful during Bluetooth connection. And connecting them to your iPhone or Android is really quick and simple. As soon as you open the case, they go into pairing mode, and there we go. They're connected really fast. And right here is also a touch button that controls everything. You can answer and disconnect calls, control your music, and even adjust the volume. Essentially everything from these little touch controls. Now you can connect these to your Nintendo Switch as well, and they work really well with the Switch. I didn't notice much latency delay, which you get with some Bluetooth earbuds. Keep in mind though that you can only listen to the audio using these, and the microphone won't work for voice chat. That of course is the limitation of the Nintendo Switch console and not these earbuds. I did also use them during my workout and was fairly happy with the performance and comfort level. So there you have it, cheap but quality earbuds from Donner. If you want to pick these up, there are links in the description, so do check them out.